Welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Carrie Gregg, an attorney at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today we're going to be addressing a critical topic: how to fight a false CPS report. False CPS protective services reports can turn your life upside down. They can stem from misunderstandings, misconceptions, or even malicious intent. In this video, we'll explore the steps to fight a false CPS report and protect your family. The first step in addressing any CPS false report is to remain calm and composed. Understand that you're being falsely accused doesn't make you guilty. It just means it's crucial to manage your emotions during this challenging time. The next step is to gather any documentations that can support your case. This includes like medical records, school records, character references, and any other evidence that you can refute the allegations in this report. Seeking legal representation is a crucial step. An experienced family law attorney can guide you through this process and protect your rights, and they can advocate on your behalf. They can also help you understand the legal aspects and navigate the complexities of CPS investigations. It's essential to cooperate with CPS during this investigation. This includes attending their interviews, providing requested information, and demonstrating your commitment to your child's well-being. False CPS records can have serious consequences, not only for your family, but also for the person who made the false report. So it's important to understand the legal repercussions of knowingly making false allegations against someone. Okay, so to illustrate the steps, let's consider a real-life scenario. Imagine a divorced couple where one parent decides to use a false CPS report as a means to gain an advantage in a custody dispute. The falsely accused parent faces challenging situation and follows the steps we discussed to fight the false reports. Legal proceedings may be necessary to clear your name and protect your family. Your attorney will work with you to build your strong case and represent your interest if court is required. So, surround yourself with a support system during this challenging time. Like family, friends, professionals can provide emotional support. They can also provide guidance through this process. So in conclusion, fighting a CPS false report requires strategic approach, legal representation, and a commitment to clearing your name. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of family law. If you have any questions or need legal assistance in handling false CPS reports, custody disputes, or any other family law matter, don't hesitate and reach out to us to schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more valuable information. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.